bana. I live on a farm, and on my farm there is a cow. Do you know what the word is for cow in Sesotho? That's right, it's komo. Are you ready to sing along with me? Let's go. Kedula pola sing, kedula pola sing. Rona le kromo, rona le kromo. Also on my farm there is a sheep. Do you know what the word is for sheep in Sesotho? That's right, it's nku. I live on a farm, and on this farm there is a cow and a sheep. Are you ready to sing along? Kedula pola sing, kedula pola sing. Rona le kromo, rona le nku. Now also on my farm there is a pig. What is the word for pig? That's right, it's fariki. So, I live on a farm, there is a cow, there is a sheep, and there is a pig. Are you ready to sing along? Kedula pola sing, kedula pola sing. Rona le kromonku, rona le fariki. Very good. Also, there is a chicken on my farm. What is the word for chicken? That's right, it's ko. So, are you ready to sing along? There is a cow, there is a sheep, there is a pig, and a chicken. Here we go. Kedula pola sing, kedula pola sing. Rona le kromonku, rona le fariki ho. Kedula pola sing, kedula pola sing. Rona le kromonku, rona le fariki ho. Kedula pola sing, kedula pola sing. Rona le kromonku, rona le fariki ho. Kedula pola sing, kedula pola sing. Rona le kromonku, rona le fariki ho.
You can also visit our website to see what other language learning materials we have to offer. Also, visit our YouTube channel to see what we are up to.